So, 100 years ago, we didn't know much about space. Most scientists thought everything was inside our Milky Way galaxy. But in 1928, Hubble changed all that. He made some cool observations and showed that the universe wasn't just sitting there. It was getting bigger. That changed everything about how we looked at space. Then, in 1997, the Hubble Space Telescope dropped another bomb. The universe wasn't slowing down as it got bigger. It was speeding up, thanks to some weird thing called dark energy. This helped us figure out that the universe was about 13.8 billion years old. But get this, the James Webb Space Telescope is messing with that story. There's this group of old stars in our galaxy called M92 that's confusing scientists. See, these stars are packed close together and are supposed to be as old as the universe itself, 13.8 billion years. But some people think they might even be older. How does that work? Stars can't be older than the universe, right? But M92 is making us rethink everything. Scientists used some fancy stuff to make over 20,000 fake star groups to try and figure out how old M92 really is. And they found that it's almost as old as the universe. That got them wondering if we messed up the timeline somehow. That's where the James Webb Space Telescope comes in. It's the best thing we've ever sent into space. It's been looking at galaxies that were around just 300 million years after the Big Bang. And guess what? These galaxies are way bigger and more grown up than they should be for that time. Could the universe be older than we thought? These impossible galaxies, along with the M92 weirdness, are telling us we might need to change everything we thought we knew about the universe's age and how it grew up. This is leading to a crazy idea. What if the universe isn't 13.8 billion years old? One new study says it could be 26.7 billion years old. That would mean we're totally wrong about how the universe got so big and how the first stars and galaxies were born. The stars that look too old and the galaxies that are too big are all pointing to the same thing. We might be about to have a big science shakeup. But it's not just about numbers. If we got the universe's age wrong, what does that mean for how we understand life itself? What secrets are hiding in all those years we missed? We even have a Methuselah star in our neighborhood of space, called HD 14283. It's supposed to be 14.5 billion years old, which is older than the universe. How can that be? Stars are supposed to burn fuel at a certain rate, depending on how big they are. But Methuselah is doing its own thing and burning slower than it should. It's not just a weirdo star, it's telling us we need to ask some bigger questions about where we came from and what we actually know. One of the big problems is the Hubble constant. That's the number that tells us how fast the universe is getting bigger. But scientists can't agree on what that number is. Some measurements say it's one thing, and others say it's something else. This is making it hard to figure out the universe's real age. Maybe the answer is something we don't even know about yet, like dark energy or some other force. One of the coolest things Webb has done is to look back at the universe's dark ages, before the first stars turned on. And what it saw was crazy. Just 300 million years after the Big Bang, there were galaxies as big and organized as our Milky Way. They shouldn't be there. It should have taken billions of years for them to form. So, is the Big Bang Theory wrong? The James Webb Space Telescope is showing us a whole new story about the universe. With all this evidence that the universe might be way older than 13.8 billion years, some scientists are even talking about the multiverse, the idea that our universe is just one of many, each with its own rules and timeline. Maybe those weird stars and galaxies make sense in that kind of setup. Maybe Webb is giving us a peek into other universes. If the multiverse is real, it would change everything, not just in space science, but in how we see reality itself. As Webb is making us rethink the universe's age, an old idea is coming back, the cyclic universe. This says that the universe hasn't just been around for 13.8 billion years. It's been through cycles of expanding and shrinking over and over again. The Big Bang is followed by a big crunch. Maybe those old stars and galaxies Webb found are leftovers from a universe that came before ours. Webb also found some tiny black holes from the early universe. These might be the key to figuring out the universe's age and how it grew. Maybe they helped galaxies form faster. But they also make us wonder what else we're missing about the early universe. We know that dark energy is making the universe expand faster. But maybe it's also hiding secrets about how old the universe really is. Some new data says that dark energy might not be the same all the time. It could be changing, which would change how fast the universe is growing. If that's true, it could explain why galaxies formed so fast and why we're confused about the timeline. But it also opens up a whole bunch of new questions. At the tiniest levels of the universe, where quantum mechanics rules, time itself seems to get weird. Maybe this weirdness is the key to the mystery Webb found. Quantum theories say that the early universe might have gone through some crazy stuff that we can't even imagine, like fluctuations that made entire galaxies or messed with time itself. From time slowing down near black holes to the quantum stuff that happened during the Big Bang, the James Webb Space Telescope is making us ask the biggest questions about why we're here. Webb's finding has not just made our view of space bigger, but has also made us question what we thought we knew. Everything about the cosmos calls for a rewrite. What if the universe isn't 13.8 billion years old? What if it's 26.7 billion, or even has no beginning or end? What if our universe is just one tiny part of a bigger multiverse story? One thing's for sure, the James Webb Space Telescope is doing more than just looking at stars. It is changing how we even think of time. So, what do you think? Are we about to see a big change in how we see the universe? As Webb keeps looking, it's making us wonder, could the universe be much older than we thought? From these super-old stars to these crazy galaxies, it's all pointing to one thing: we might be on the verge of a big change in how we see the universe. And it's not just about numbers. If the universe's age is wrong, what does that mean for everything else, like life? There's also this star, Methuselah, which seems to be about 14.5 billion years old, older than the universe. Stars have lifespans, and this one's acting weird, aging slower than it should. It's like a clue that something's up with our understanding of the cosmos. One big issue is the Hubble constant, which tells us how fast the universe is expanding. But it's not giving us a straight answer. We get different numbers depending on where we look. If we can't figure out the expansion rate, how can we know the age? Maybe there's something else at play, like dark energy or some force we don't know about. Webb is letting us see the universe's dark ages, before the first stars. And what it's found is wild. Galaxies that are huge and organized, like the Milky Way, appeared just 300 million years after the Big Bang. That shouldn't be possible. It should take billions of years to make these. So, is the Big Bang theory incomplete? Webb's discoveries are kicking off a whole new story for the universe. If it's way older than 13.8 billion years, some folks are even talking about the multiverse, that our universe is just one of many, each with its own rules. Maybe these weird stars and galaxies make sense in that picture. If the multiverse is real, it'd change everything. Also, there's this idea that the universe goes through cycles of expansion and collapse, like a big bounce. Maybe these old stars and galaxies are leftovers from a previous cycle. Webb has also spotted tiny black holes that might have formed right after the Big Bang. These could explain how galaxies formed so fast. But it also makes us wonder what else we're missing about the early universe. Dark energy's pushing the universe to expand, but could it also be hiding something about the universe's age? Maybe it's changing over time, messing with the expansion rate. Even at the smallest level, with quantum mechanics, time gets weird. Maybe that's the key to all of this. Quantum theory says the early universe might have had fluctuations that created galaxies or changed time itself. The James Webb Space Telescope is forcing us to ask some huge questions. It's not just changing our view of the universe, it's making us rethink everything we thought we knew. We might need to rewrite the whole story of the cosmos. It's not just about age, it's about the countless mysteries waiting to be solved. What if the universe isn't 13.8 billion years old? What if it's 26.7 billion, or even timeless? What if we're just one piece of a bigger multiverse? One thing's for sure, the James Webb Space Telescope is showing us that there's way more to discover. So, what do you think? Are we about to see a huge shift in how we see the universe? The discovery of galaxies that seem too old and the strange things we're seeing with stars are making us wonder if the universe is way older than we thought. The James Webb Space Telescope is just getting started, and it's already changing everything.